The input is 15 volts, very little current, just corresponding to the pinging. The bottom scope is showing you the yellow traces are the drive pulses. We are varying the frequency and we are pinging it, and the green, I can't tell you what it is, but it's a top secret. And the scope on the top, the yellow is the output. It's on 5 volts a division. So the first default for USB Type-C, it will go up to 5 volts when I put it in. And then it will negotiate for another voltage as determined by the object you plug it into. And they are all there, the pinging, the demodulation pulses and all that. So what I'm going to do is and the screen is telling you right now it's pinging, the frequency is changing all the way from 175 to 150 kilohertz, I think, right? So the waveforms that's pinging right now, frequency is changing. The yellow bottom pulses are the gate drives. Green is a secret thing we can't tell you about. On the top scope, the yellow is the output of the receiver. And let's look at that. And the purple on the top will give you the demodulation communication pulses, basically. And USB Type-C will start with 5 volts and then negotiate for a higher voltage depending upon the device you have plugged in, which in our case is this laptop which we're going to plug in today. It's a Google Chromebook and it's uncharged right now. And this is the wire coming from the USB receiver board, which is still a breadboard, by the way, so don't expect lovely plastics at the moment. There's a lot of work there, and if you look at the screen, it's pinging, so the frequency is pinging all the time. You can see that, and that's going to update itself as I put the receiver coil on the transmitter. The transmitter is ready, and I'm going to take this receiver coil, and I've got some clips to hold it, and it's going to be placed. I don't even care much about the position. Watch the yellow curve on the top. It's going to ping a few times and get up to exactly 1 division, which is 5 volts, which it just did. So it's a steady 5 volts as is required by USB Type-C. The top are the communication pulses. So if I spread them out, you will see the communication going out. What happened to that? Yeah, you're seeing 5 volts and all the communication pulses. There are a bunch of commands coming regularly. Okay, so now I'm going to take this wire, which is coming from our receiver board. Have a look here. Okay, and it's coming only from here, no place else, no secret wire. And I'm plugging it into the laptop. So as soon as I plug it, go back to the screen and see what's happening. So it's going to make a few attempts. The yellow is the output. It's going to negotiate the correct voltage and get to the right point and start charging the laptop. There, 15 volts, steady, and focus on the laptop. You can see the charging icon has gone here. Keep it at a distance because otherwise it doesn't focus properly. The charging icon, and if you look at that power meter, it's about 4 amperes now, drawing about 60 watts and delivering about 45 to 50 watts. Typical efficiency for a very low coupling system with this tiny little coil here. That's it.